I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me.
Are those goats? Get over here, you little goat! They didn't listen. Whatever. Oh my god. Yeah, can we please stay on the road, sir? Thank you. Don't hit me, sir. Don't hit me. Motorcyclist. I'm going slow. Yeah, don't even look at me. Don't even look at me. Hi everyone. Hi, how's it going? How's your day going? Let's see how this goes. Here's the 4th attempt at good audio at highway speeds. Alright, so we're doing about 60 miles an hour right now. Hopefully the audio is coming across at least somewhat clear. It's not completely freaking choppy. Think I can duck under this semi-truck? No, I wouldn't make it. I would get my head chopped off. Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna sneak on through here. That didn't sound good. Sounded like he's grinding gears like a son of a... Whoa, sir! How about we stay in our lanes? Oh, that's amazing. Fork in the road. I don't know which way to go. Oh, this is the wrong way. Go ahead and turn in here. Okay, I'm sketchy. We're good. Hell yeah. Gorgeous. Looks less tall now that I'm so close to it. If that's the hill, unless I can't see the top. I'm hoping it's not a dirt road when I get there, though. Oh, that's nice and creepy. It says it's a school and it's got big ass steel doors like a freaking gravesite. Till today. Oh, that's sketch. I may have passed the road. I don't know. We'll just keep going. The Signal Point Road closed. 2.8 miles ahead. Locked gate to electronic site info. What the hell does that mean? Whoa! So you got people crossing the yellows right there. I'll be doing that. Well, I guess 2.8 miles is a bit further than I thought it'd be. This road just keeps going. Just keep it moving. We on an adventure now. We on an adventure now. Out here looking for the squatch. Oh shit! We got a dirt road. Holy! Good thing I wasn't hauling ass. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Sport bike on a dirt road. Why the f not? I bought a freaking Super Sport because I wanted to go fast, and then I ended up riding, riding on dirt roads. That's interesting. Not entirely sure this is where the bike is meant to be ridden. I don't think the R&D at Yamaha was like, hey, maybe they want to go on some dirt roads too. I'm gonna pee my pants, and this bumpy road is definitely not helping.
Guys, is there shooting spots up there? Yeah, it's not really close, you know, in Spokane area, everything's closed down, or, you know, whatever.
See if I can turn around without falling off the side of this mountain. Oh, back up, Bessie. Come on. Oh, gee. I almost fell over. Oh, how do you move these things?
That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
In first gear. Woo, boy! Ah! Horrible road that I decided to go on. Do your balls work good, but you don't want to have kids? Buy one of these bikes and ride it on a dirt road. Smash your balls into little tiny bits. Make sure they never work again. Surgery too expensive? Buy one of these. Smash your balls with one of these babies. 100% guaranteed. Oh, there's a tight one.
That's what she said.